Hello and welcome back to Life in Every Season. Hope you guys are having a good day. We've been toying around with our new toy, the Harvester 8 freeze dryer. This is the medium-sized model.
Hello. Kelly had to work today. We did our test run of the bread with vinegar in the Harvester 8. Everything went well as far as I can tell. It was definitely as dry as croutons. Today, she's had to work. It is 4th of July. I know this won't air for a couple of weeks, but happy 4th of July and Independence Day to everyone out there. I'm going to try, we've got so many eggs in the fridge, we're going to try eggs. I think these trays will hold 15 eggs, but I'm going to try 10, and I'm going to pour from here. I'm not sure I can walk from the kitchen into the spare bedroom without making a mess. Yeah, I believe you could get a few more eggs in there. Alright, tray number 2. The bread cycle, that test run to get the smell out, that took about 12 hours. I was surprised at the end of the process. We had the door closed to the spare bedroom and it was really warm. And the other surprise was once we were prompted by the display pad here to open the drain, there wasn't that much water that came out, which isn't a surprise because bread's not full of water. Okay, last tray. It's amazing how many eggs we are receiving from 5 hens. They are really doing a great job. Alright, get all tray setting in. Let's close the door, follow the instructions. Load trays in the freeze dryer. Close drain valve. It's closed. Continue. Freezing. I think that's it. I'm sure it'll take more than 12 hours unlike the bread, but we'll show you when it comes out.
And yesterday, Bruce started some trays of eggs. We wanted to see how it would work, and eggs are something we have an abundance of right now. Each one of these trays has 10 eggs on it, and this has been running for about 20 hours now, and it's ready to come out. So let's check and see what we got.
Defrost.
We're going to defrost the machine.
It's gonna go ahead.
I hit defrost.
Okay.
Remove product from the dryer and close.
Hold this and I'll go get a bucket for the water that's going to come out. So you heard the vacuum go out. Vacuum's released, you can open the door.
There's a little condensation falling out. We noticed that the other night.
Yep.
Will
So
I need
ahead.
something to hold on to these with? Will they be
Yeah,
real cold?
it's warm. Just touch it first. Yeah. So there is one tray. I'm going to take it into the kitchen and
yes.
let's get a bowl and see what it looks like. Get a big bowl and I'll do it all together. That one will work. Just have eggs on. Okay. They look good. So there you go. What do you think?
I'm excited. I'm happy.
You want to put those in individual bags?
Yeah.
I'll do that later today. Alright, so that is our first
Our first Harvest Right run.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for coming along with this ride with us on our new toy. And we will keep doing some videos on different items that we're going to try freeze drying here coming up as things come in from the garden and around the area, whatever comes in sale.
I have one item that we talked about that Kelly can add. We were talking about the expense of this. We have 2 All-American pressure cookers. And what did you see the price of the small one?
I saw the price of the small one at Lehman's, and I believe it was $4.99 or could have been $5.99. I don't remember exactly, but
we've got 2 of
we
those.
have 2 of them. We have a 4
So
quart
we got
and a 7 quart.
roughly $1,000 in pressure cookers.
Yes.
If we had to go buy them new.
Right.
So
that was just like a little cost comparison.
just a quick update. This is going to be the final location for the Harvest Right. I went out and, Amazon shopped. I'll put a link. These brackets are 24 inches, 23 and a half. They're each rated for 400 pounds. I tied them into a stud and used a 4-inch timber lock lag screw, which it says it replaces a 3/8 inch lag screw. Sorry, I got readers on. I just stopped a minute to let you know. We just kind of added to the video of where we were putting its final location. This is our pantry / mudroom, so the noise and the heat it puts off will be better served in here. And 3/4 inch plywood. Now this is cabinet grade, and then I edged it in a 1x2 and just brad nailed that on. So I'm putting black screws into, well, I still dropped it. It's terrible to get old and lose your eyesight. I'm great at distance, but up close is hard. So these little screws here. So that's what's securing it to the brackets. And not quite, it feels plenty sturdy. So we'll know in a little bit. We'll come back and show you an update once we get everything set up here.
Today I kind of wanted to show you the end result of the move we made for our Harvest Right freeze dryer. We had it sitting temporarily in our spare bedroom. Unfortunately, we can't leave it there because the amount of heat it puts out during the cycle is too much for our poor cats, and that's where they live at night. Yes, we are mean parents. We bring them in every night so they don't get eaten up by coyotes. But as you can see, we found a spot for it in the utility room. And Bruce built this shelf, and you'll see footage of him putting that together and putting the brackets in the walls and things like that. But he's made us a heavy, sturdy shelf. We had a wonderful neighbor come over and help us lift this up here because I'm too short and I don't have the body strength. It weighs about 112 pounds. So yeah, that's a lot. But we were able to move the pump here. Everything is connected. I can actually reach the door. Now, getting the trays in, I'll have to use a step stool, but that's okay. It's out of the way. And we're excited to have it. And one of the big things that it had to be able to do, the shelf had to be up high enough so I could open my freezer door, which I can.
And yeah, I didn't videotape me putting the shelf all together because I got busy. I started at 6 a.m. this morning. It's probably a little after lunch now. Going to Lowe's. The brackets, I'll put a link on Amazon. Like I said, I used the timber locks, which are rated like 3/8 inch lag screws. They're 4 inches deep, so they'll go, you know, I was more worried about were they too long, but they will not, they didn't go out the other side. And like I said, I just did one. See, there's 2 holes and one of them is empty.
He left one empty.
I was afraid 2 big lag screws might split the 2x4. So I've got 8 of those lags in 4 of the brackets. And that's why the spacing's weird. They're all tied into a stud.
Yeah, we have a stud here and here, and then they're a little
and it feels sturdy. It looks, well, it'll take me a while to get used to.
I'm hanging on it.
Yeah, with the weight of that. And we still had room to put our foldable, portable solar panel from Blue Yeti, and then our vacuum cleaner still has a spot, our little bags, and it's just a little hard to get to this. I'll show you there we go. See, that's not, stick your hand in there, Kelly.
I can reach.
We can just reach.
I can reach everything.
So we've got a small house and have to be careful.
Yes, we do. Well, thank you guys so much for stopping by Life in Every Season. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm looking forward to seeing what this baby will do. So we'll have some more videos on recipes that we're trying out. Thank you. Come back and see us and have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.